Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week, plus a quick tip for you guys. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. First of all, this week I have a big preview of what's coming up in 2019. I'm kind of talking the state of the channel and what my future plans are. So if you're interested to see what I'm going to be doing in 2019, you'll definitely want to watch that video. Then next week we're starting off 2019 with a bang with an Arduino stepper motor tutorial. YouTube user Pierre-Luc Gagnon was nice enough to print me a 3D printed turntable for N-Scale, and I'm going to be showing you how to put a stepper motor on that and use some Arduino programming basics to get that running for you guys. So that's what's coming up next week. Now on to the quick tip. A great thing if you're looking to do some prototype model railroading or you're looking for some inspiration from real-world railroads is to use the internet, specifically map websites. Google Maps is always a great one. The one that I prefer is openstreetmap.org. The reason I like this one is because it has a layer just for transit mapping. And what that does is it takes out everything but the rail lines that are in an area that you're looking at. Now, the really cool thing about this is that not only does it show your main lines, it shows all your other lines, it shows light rail and subway lines, it even shows roller coasters. So you'll see a lot of different things with that layer on openstreetmap.org. You actually saw me use this in my last live stream to talk about layout design. So that's openstreetmap.org. If you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.